Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Let Me Guide. In this video, I am gonna tell you guys how to download Instagram story. If you like the story of your friends and you want to download it, for the first 2 to 3 times you will ask your friend to send. But after this, you would not want to ask your friend to send. In this video, I will tell you how to download Instagram story without any login or without any application. Firstly, in your Instagram account, you can see the stories of your followers. If you want to download the story of your followers, as you see, I have also uploaded a story. I will show how can you do this. Open your Google or any browser. Then search for Instagram Story Downloader. Here you see there are some websites and apps as well as. I have already told you we don't use app because in apps we have to enter our account information. Now select any of the website, enter your username. I am entering my username. Now my story is shown here, or you can download now, and it's done. If you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe my channel Let Me Guide. That would be much appreciated, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications of my videos. Thanks for watching.